Okay, so sorry. Now that we are done with our walls, we want to quickly move into how to place our doors. Yes, how to place our doors. So from the workspace, and this is my library. I already have a door, but for the sake of this learning, I'll just delete it. So you want to place a door. You come to the door tab here. You click on the down arrow. Okay. So you click on the down arrow. You can see the various. You see, they are not just doors. It's doors and windows. You can see the various doors and windows that you can use in the floor plan. Now, should in case you are not seeing this tab, you just go to more symbols, move to floor plan. You get it? Like just follow this step that I'm doing. Floor plan again. Then you see these are where you get all the tabs. So you see the wall shell and structure has been activated. So that's why you see that. And then the door and window too has been activated. See, it has been checked. So that's why you are seeing it. So just check it in case you don't see it there, then you are fine. So I want to place my door. So once again, you see draw. So you just drag and drop. You get it. When you click on the door, you see that the dimension of the door is shown. How do I change the dimension of the door? Just double click on the door. Our doors are 900. Do you get it? 900 in width. You can just draw multiple, hold control and click. Get it? I'll be using 750 for the washrooms. And then you see my doors will be in they are all not going to be in this direction, so I want to have them in the other directions too. Do you get it? Like presets. So what I do is that I copy this one, hold control, then drag. You get it? Then I flip it. So I click on this, then I can flip. This is rotate, sorry, and this is flip. So I flip it like this. Okay, so it's at the other side like this. And I can another one. Sorry about that. So another one, then I flip it down like this. Yes. Then I copy again and I flip it the other way around. This what happened. So I've had 4 sets here. I haven't placed them, but I have 4 sets of the same color. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing with the 750. You hold control, copy, flip this way, hold control, copy, then flip downwards like this. You can just hold control, copy, also flip downwards like this. Do you see the points? So then we start from here. There's a door here, and then it opens in this direction. Let me see, like this. So all I do is that hold control, drag, then drop. You just have to. Okay, so I just let me place it for now. To make sure it's okay. So I think what is happening here is that my this is a group, so I'll have to ungroup it first. Do you get it? But then first, just to be sure or to be careful, what I'm going to do is that all these things are on a particular layer. Let me use this opportunity to introduce you to layers. Now when I come to this tab, you have layers. You get it? So all that you are doing can be done on a certain or a particular layer. Follow me carefully. Now all that we've done here is on layer -1. Layer -1. Let me rename it as let me rename it as well. Okay, so I have a layer 1. So all that we've done here is on wall. Now we can quickly duplicate. Let's see. Okay, I was hoping you could duplicate the in the layer, but unfortunately we can't do same like in Vectorworks. In Vectorworks you can duplicate a layer. Yeah, and I mean in most BIM or drafting software you can duplicate a layer, but in this case I'm not able to, because I was intending on when I duplicate the layer I get the whole thing, this whole drawing, without having to redo them sets. Do you get it? But for safety's sake, this grouped item, I'm going to move a copy of it. So how do I do that? Hold Control, then move. So this is my backup. This is just my backup, so that in case something gets messed up here, I can quickly just move it. So I come back here, then I ungroup. Yes. So just click on it, then come here, then ungroup. Yes. So they are no longer a group again. Now I'm come to replace my door. Yes. This is what I was looking for earlier on. You see the reddening of the wall. So that means that the door is not connected to the wall. Then I release. Do you get it? So it's not in the direction that I want. So what do? I flip. You get it? Then I flip again. So this is how it's supposed to be. I was hoping that it will be to just go straight, but it didn't work that way. And sorry, there's supposed to be a wall here because there's a laundry room here. So let me quickly add. Yes, let me quickly add that one to it. So the easiest way I can do this is just, okay, this is a long wall, but then I can just hold Control, move this out, then bring it down a little. Okay, so I'm going to dimension this one. I want to see the width here. So we will do dimensioning. Yes, okay, so I think that's straight out. Okay, so 3,100. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now I want the room here to be so the distance, the internal here from here to here to be 2400. So I have to do that. Move this one. So 2400. This is going to be 100. Yes, this is going to be 100. Unfortunately, if I move this from here, I'm going to have an issue. So what I'm going to do is that if from here to here is supposed to be 2400, I'm supposed to subtract it from the 3100. So what have it? The 3100 minus 2400. Okay, I'm getting 700. So 700. We have this to be 150, right? Then another 100, which is 50 again. Which is 50 again. So I add 100 to it, making what? 800. Sorry, 800. Okay, so with this 800, what I can do is that I delete this wall. Delete. Then I move this one here. Make sure it's black. Move this one to join this one. Okay, so I know that this wall must come here. Then join this to here. And I move this. Okay, join C. Then I copy this one. Okay, and I extend this one to this one. Great. So it's done now. I hope you are following and you are enjoying the class. So then I move this dimension back again. Now we are on doors. Just take note of that. Okay, so there is to be a door here. You get it? Its opening is like, okay, so I have to rotate this one. So rotate. Okay, so like this. So I move, control, see, then like it. Okay, it didn't come out the way it's supposed to. Drag it again. Okay, you see the red in there, then fix. So when it's there, you can just use the arrow buttons to move. I have my door here. Are you following? Then this same door is also here. So hold, make sure it's black. Hold control, then move. Make sure you see the red. Now you can use the arrow buttons to move up. Do you see that? Then the same door is here somewhere. So control. Do you see it? Zoom in. Okay, so the red is there. Okay, then you can move up. Click, move it up. And then you buttons. Then the other one is so control, move. Yes. Then I have to flip this one. So not like this rather. Okay, then I move back down. It again. If you're not sure of whether or not it has connected to the wall, just redo it again. Okay, so I have to like this. Okay. Then I move them. Like that. Yes. Okay, so I'm drawing my door, as you can see. Drawing my door. Then here, this is a washroom. So take it from the 750, move it in this direction. Okay, so I flip. I flip again. Then move it. Then the same kind of door on this side, but then flip it this way. Do you see? Now when I see this one, I know that I didn't pick one, so I just do it again. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so I'm done with the door here, the door here. Now I come here. So the door here is similar to this door. I can just copy here. Okay, but it's a washroom door, so 750. So then I move it to the side. Great. Now I have to place a door here. So now this one. Okay, didn't pick also. Okay, so that's. Then I move it all the way down. Now I can flip. Okay. Hope you're following. Okay, so I think that's it for all the doors. So the door to this side, the door to this side, 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 and into here. Then there's finally another door here that leads outside. Let me just add that door So now we are done with what's our door. So I can just delete this ones. You get it. So we are done with the door. Yes. Now to our window. You get it. So we go to the same tab, door and windows, and place the window. For the main window, we use a width of 1200. No, let's make it 1500 for the normal. So we come then repeat. Okay. So the window here. See, just make sure it's it snaps right. Then we have our window here, and then another window here. Oh, okay. So I can just copy right. Okay. And there's another window here. Okay, so but this window connected well. This window has to be double click on it. It has to be longer. So let's make it 210 because it's in the hole. Then let me make it down. Okay, that's fine. This is a garage, so you don't really need window, but I should add a garage door. So you see overhead door here. I just move it here. First, let me place it here. 3,000 is okay. This. Okay, since my 3,000 is longer, so double click on the door. And let's use a dimension of 250. Okay. So this is fine, but then it has to move like it. Okay, it's fine. So we are still on our window. So I move this one. You see that I try to make sure that it's in the middle. Yet there is a line that comes up. So move this one. Okay, sorry. That window is not supposed to be there. Okay, so I can move this one here. Okay, I didn't connect, so I moved it again. Okay, now it's in there. Now this window is not supposed to be here. So now the washroom windows are supposed to be 600 in width. Double click then 600. Yes, so I zoom in. Make sure it's correct. Okay, so I'm looking for the center 600. Another. I'm looking for the center. Okay. Okay, so I'll verify the dimension manually as we move from there, but for now, this is how to draw your doors and the windows. So we've done all for our doors, then we've done what for the window. You get it. So the next time we'll look at how we can place our fixtures. How we can place our fixtures.